Antidote presents 5 reasons why you should drink ginger tea. Being that ginger has the ability to kill germs, parasites, and viruses, and can reduce swelling, it has been considered one of the most powerful foods to exist. Ginger contains B-carotene, vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals, which is very beneficial for your overall health. Ginger has been used to reduce nausea, aid digestion, as well as help to fight the flu or common cold, just to name a few. Ginger tea has many health benefits. Here are some examples. Because ginger is full of antioxidants, it can fight infections and strengthen your immune system. Because of its warming properties, ginger can help blood circulation. Ginger can ease headaches and other aches and pains, as well as treat sore muscles. It can also lower the risk of stroke. Would you like to give ginger a try? If so, try this ginger tea recipe. Ingredients: organic honey, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, coconut milk, 1 cup of water. How to prepare: first, boil the water. Then, add the turmeric and ginger and allow it to sit for 7 to 10 minutes. Afterward, add the milk and stir. Then strain the tea into a cup. Add the organic honey to your tea and enjoy the benefits. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. For more Blue Antidote videos, subscribe to the channel. For more natural home remedies and recipes, watch the video in the link below. Until next time, be happy, be healthy.